Hello guys, good morning.
Good morning.
We're going to Antwerp now.
We're going at the Antwerp now. We're going to buy route broodje.
Yeah. Tanawa. Siya ginaghambal nga kuhaan ko daw siya ka video. Kaya mahambal daw siya ka malakot siya sa Antwerp. Oh, sige na. Lakat na ay. Tarong lakat. Lakto lang namon pakadto sa train station, guys. Wala kami nagbike kay may dala ako sa iyang gamit namon te. Hindi ko makaya mag sa bike basi matumba. Basi matumba pa kami na. Lang. Masani na naman karon, guys, oh. Okay, it's sunny day today, my love.
No school today.
No school today.